to actual.
Go for actual.
LZ is in sight.
Looks like our boys are right on time, Colonel.
Roger 3-1. Hitman teams are locked and loaded for assault. You are green to go.
Colonel, we may have a problem.
Too late, Laswell. We're live.
Not until I say so. Watch it at 3-1, how copy?
Station Chief Laswell, send traffic.
General Barkov has sent a new shipment of chlorine gas to his depot. But his mercs are prepping to move the chems into Urzikstan via convoy tonight. You're still clear to engage, but live fire on Russian military is prohibited. We cannot have an international incident.
No guarantees Russian army won't respond on this case.
Understood, Alex. Just locate the gas, commandeer Barkov's trucks, and get off the X before the tide turns.
Copy, Watcher. We'll handle it. Let's move.
All hitman teams push to your sector.
Roger.
We need to keep this on a tight loop. Barkov's men are moving the gas tonight.
What are the odds we run into General Barkov? Russian general wouldn't be caught dead out here. Psst, heads up. Hearing two. Looking for us. Two mercs, no uniforms.
Что-то слышь? Сейчас. Эй! Кто здесь? Выйди! Покажись!
They're game. Drop them.
We're clear. Copy. Post up on the ridge and let's get the lay of the land.
Echo 3-1 to Blue Viking 5. Call for fire. Stand by for target confirmation.
Copy, 3-1. Viking is standing by.
Let's recce the area and make sure there's no Russian army down there. Vehicle coming in the main gate.
Medium transport truck.
Transport for the gas. Vehicle's on the move. Check the railway.
Patrol vehicle. Contractors.
Security. Good targets. No Russian military presence. Call it in, CIA.
Blue Viking 5, this is Echo 3-1. Troops in the open, south gate. You are cleared hot.
Roger, 3-1. Target acquired. Weapons free in 5 seconds.
5 seconds.
Echo 3-1. Good effect on target. Viking is RTB. Good hunting.
Much obliged, Viking. We'll take it from here.
Heads up. Multiple guns on foot. Hold off. Let him approach.
Найдите их и убейте, иначе генерал убьет нас. Рассредоточиться, если что увидите, стреляйте!
Smoke him down.
Clear. Force up.
Looks like someone was playing with fire. Serves them right, hawking this chemical shit.
Put him out of their misery. Finish him off.
Туши огонь! Я пытаюсь!
Don't wait on me.
Я поебал, а не пожары тушил! Если сдохнешь, тебе никто не заплатит!
Down. Hold short!
Element of surprise is not on our side, boys. Stay frosty. Stay sharp. We're blind on this breach. Contact! Right now!
Got an empty nest on that second deck!
He's dug in! Lay suppression to get up there! Push off! Good suppression! Flank up and take him out!
Force out. We need to secure the gas before they move it.
Move out! Roger that! Got a runner! Move out!
Move when his lights off!
Enemy to the west!
We need to nullify that
I need
gun.
cover! Roger! One to the open! 30 meters out!
CIA, get lit on this gunman! Press that MG! Push up!
Roger that! Enemy 10 meters out!
Move now!
Enemy by the building! Got him covered!
Highlights off! Flank up on!
Got a target! 20 meters out! Where are they? Get moving! Roger! I see one, northwest! I need cover!
MG, down!
Nicely done, CIA!
Got one! 20 meters out! Got runners! They're breaking for the warehouse! Get moving! Clear!
Gas must be inside.
Unless we're too late. Clear! Clear! Clear!
Chems may be inside. Masks up. Let's do this.
What? They killed the power.
Go, white light. On me.
It's pitch black in here. You hear that? Whoever killed the powers in here, I'm telling you, could have been the airstrike.
No, they're here.
Shit, you see that?
Find him. He's down.
Got him.
Movement on the catwalk. We're moving to the center. We lost some movement.
All clear. Let's get the power up. Shed some light, find this gas.
Roger, 3-1.
Looking. On it. Checking for power.
Lights coming on.
Power's up.
Hey! We got a problem. These guys are Russian army.
Spetsnaz.
3-1 to Watcher. Barkov's hired guns or Spetsnaz. We got Russian army KIA. We need to bug out now.
Negative. Command wants mission accomplished on this. Not our choice.
Never is. 3-1 out.
Verify this is what we came for. We'll set the trucks for egress.
Jackpot. PID in the gas.
Solid copy, 3-1. Load up and get back to base.
Roger that. Let's move out. Take shotgun. All stations, we are Oscar Mike to the RV. Watch your sectors.
It's good work, Alex. Rally at the hook point for egress. Watcher to 3-1, how copy? Alex, do you read?
I got you, 3-1. Shit. Who the fuck is this?
CD, answer. Malorussi. Marines. Amitab. Lazim nitarak. Faran. Tarak. Yalla.
Echo 3-1 to Watcher.
Alex, what happened?
Terrorist attack. Multiple Marines KIA. Gas stolen. We need evac now.
Roger. Tracking multiple Russian forces headed your way. Sit tight. We're pushing to you for fast exfil. Watcher out.